Hi, welcome to Lights, Camera, Nothing. Today, we're going to be doing something awful. And if you hear weird noises, it's because our studio's haunted.
By a squeaker.
Yes, by a squeaky little ghost. You look like you lost some weight. You look like you lost about 7 pounds, no wait, 8 pounds, 7 ounces. And more. Anyways.
And more.
And more. And it looks like it's laying over there. Today, we're going to be waxing our noses. The inside of our noses. Because...
Why not?
Why not? So, normally I trim them with my little razor thing, but I've let them go. They're there. And this is going to suck probably worse for me than you. I didn't think about that.
I don't know, I have really sensitive sinuses, so this might be
way more hair. This nose looks way
scary.
too happy to be. There's always glare. Shiny? Not shiny. Shiny? Not shiny. Anyways, this is Lifestance Nose Wax. Nose wax. Quick and easy, banana type. 10 to 12 total uses. I don't know if that's 10 to 12 nostrils or 10 to 12 noses.
Yeah, I guess. But it doesn't I don't know which one's what.
For a second there, I thought you were going to say something delightfully intelligent.
No.
It did not come out.
Lack of sleep has
Yeah, have
killed
kids,
the
they
brain.
said. It'll be fun, they said. No, making kids is fun. Having kids. So we have popsicle sticks. You have white nose doodads. We have beaties.
wax.
Banana beaties.
Oh, I want Dippin' Dots now.
Oh, we should get that.
Banana split Dippin'
But I can get
Dots.
dry ice. I probably get liquid nitrogen. We'll make our own.
That'll be fun. Weird cups
We have mustache stickers.
and measuring beaker.
These are for something. I think it's to keep the wax off my mustache, because that would be awful. Oh, even plucking one of these hairs in this area, not fun. And instructions. The instructions are the boring part.
Apparently, get your free gift now by joining.
By joining what?
Lifestance Wax.
I'm already in a couple of cults, and it's hard to commit. Here's a stash sticker. My stash sticker. It's sad because it's nicer than my normal stash. My genuine stash. I grew it myself, and someone just handed this to me. Okay, after washing hands, place peeps of paper under waxed area to prevent dropping onto desk or floor. This table's giving me a hard time.
Yeah.
Place the pod in the microwave. Do not put in the center of the microwavable plate. I think that's this, but I don't know what these are for. Place the pod in the microwave oven. Do not place, not in the center of the microwavable plate. You know, some people's microwaves don't have plates. Heating for 2 minutes. Wait for 1 minute, and then touch the pod slightly. So we're not nuking these.
So,
What are these for? The pills we have to take after? It didn't say how much temperature test. Okay, yeah, if the wax is too thin, it's too hot. If it's too thick, well, it won't go up your nose. The right temperature should be around between 130 and 150 degrees Fahrenheit. I read that in Celsius. I'm like, I'm not sticking 130 degree anything up my nose. The wax will be a little ropey. Stir evenly. So this is no different than when we did your armpits.
yeah.
Small amount on the inside of your wrist before you do the full treatment. Start hair removal when temperature is right. Nose hair removal. We'll blow our noses.
Okay.
And then we immerse the bottom of the wax doodad thingies into the wax. Ensure the wax will cover the whole thing. Do not dip deeper than the base of the collar.
So what's that for?
Yeah. And there's nice little pictures. Then we pull the upper lip tightly. Feel like that.
I don't think I can
Stick under nose and insert the applicator into the nose. The collar should stay out of the nose, so don't ram it.
Do not ram it.
Brain waxing. Let cool for about 60 seconds. Hold the applicator tightly and pull down quickly. The quicker the better for hair result. repeat process on to the other nose. It doesn't say nostril, it says other nose. So
Because we have two noses.
we have two noses. Your average person has one nose.
Okay.
Are there people out there with two noses? Alright, let's nuke this. Okay, these are supposed to be banana scented and flavored.
No, I'm good.
You don't believe me, dude.
I'm not falling for this. My brain may be working at half capacity, but I'm not that
It's
gullible.
working better than mine, though.
Do we need scissors? Click, click, click. What did you do?
We're gonna get some scissors and we'll be right back.
So you didn't open it.
I didn't need scissors. Mmm. It doesn't smell like banana. Take a big whiff of that, dear.
It smells like wax. Does it?
Do we blow our noses first?
Right.
Do people want to see that? Put a like and comment if you want to see me blow my nose. We'll put... You gonna do it for me? No. Okay, well, let's fill this up to like, what, how much wax do you think we need? 20? It doesn't say. I guess enough to dip the...
Enough to dip these guys in.
And there's some airspace
This is
between these.
pretty big. I'm scared. That's gonna be quite a bit. Hey.
Well, there's airspace between them, right? So they're gonna shrink down. That's good. It's not like this is gonna be a daily routine for us.
This is a one-time shot, probably.
I don't know, we might,
So we're gonna
might
need
like
4
it.
of these, right?
Well, yeah.
So, what's the little string?
It's so you can hold it.
Oh.
So you can wedge the boogers out later. Yeah, well. Y'all can watch me blow my nose. Clean it out. Alright. I don't know how long we
I
need
just
to
wipe my makeup off.
Me too. Oh, I'm atrocious. It says painless hair removal of nose hair on here, but for a second I thought it was pointless.
I don't see it being painless, that's for sure.
Two minutes. 2 minutes and let sit for a minute. So, we'll be right back after a message from
Rat back.
sponsors. We'll be right back. Rat back.
From our sponsors?
Yeah, that we don't have. So now we are going to mustache each other, so I don't get wax in my real mustache. Oh, whoever gets it all first, put it on the other one first. Oh, score!
I win.
Oh, mustache, my baby. It smells bad.
So that's it?
Yeah. Dude. This is more for aesthetics. I just want him to kiss you more now.
Is that right?
Yeah, that seems right. I don't know what to do. We'll put this in there. There's that ghost again.
Okay,
Okay, so there's a picture of how it's supposed to look. So you dip it in, you pull your, we'll test my wrist first. Yeah, that's right. So you dip it in, it's supposed to look like that.
So there's a thing there.
Yeah,
Like that.
more than that. That's wrong. You didn't do enough? I think like that. And then pull your lip down and jam it up your nose.
Oh my god. I don't know about this. I can't see. Where's my nose? This is scary. I'm scared. So we put them in both nose right now?
Before it dries. Ah! I'm gonna wax my coffee.
I'm really scared.
Oh my god, this was an awful idea.
Yes. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm terrified.
Yeah, I gotta do the other one quick before the solidifies. Can we wait for a minute?
What's going on now? I'm really terrified. Oh my god, we're gonna die.
We might end up in the hospital having to have these. What the? Stop!
Why are we doing this?
Oh, this is dumb. Okay.
Yeah. I know, baby girl.
Oh. And now we have a minute to wait.
Oh, my nose is itchy. So like.
Yeah, but I'm pulling yours.
Oh no.
You gotta pull hard. It doesn't smell like banana. It smells like you can't breathe.
Yeah. We're gonna
It's
end
making
up
me
with
drool.
bleeding nostrils or something.
Just gushing blood. Thank you, Lifestance, for sending me to the hospital. I really want to. I can't. Between the mustache and the stuff in my nose, I need a straw. Has it been a minute yet?
Oh, I don't know.
Is it hard? I don't know. I'd rather give it longer than have like wax stuck in my nose and go to the hospital and be like, hi, I did something really dumb. It's making me drool.
You're itchy.
It's not a pleasant feeling. For those of you at home that want to do this, have shiny new nostrils.
Don't get it stuck up there or something.
That's what we should have done, just dunk. Be like an icicle. A waxicle. I feel like they're done. I feel like it's been a minute. Okay, you want to go first or you want me to go first?
I don't know. I don't know.
Come on, babe. Let's get your nose stuff out. You want to do them both at once or
No,
separate?
I don't know. Okay, go ahead.
Do I do them both at the same time? Or one at a time?
I think you do one at a time. Maybe this one first because that was first.
Ready?
Oh my god, I'm so scared. No. Ah, ah, okay, that was not bad.
Oh, there's only a few little tiny hairs in there. Look at them. Okay, let's do the other one.
Alright.
Your nose is a little red. Ready? Why are you flicking your nose? Oh, that one's good. Oh, it's like a little hedgehog.
Oh my god.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll take your stash with you. Ready? Oh. You have dainty little nose hair.
Love you, babe. Are you ready for this?
No. I have way more nose hair than you. It's all up in the front too, but I have the behind. Okay. You gotta do it with both hands. You gotta be
You want me
quiet.
to do both at once?
No, you gotta hold this with both hands, or else you won't be able to get it out.
Why?
They're slippery.
Oh. I'm going to stand for this.
I'm not gonna stand for this. Okay, no.
Which one do you want me to do
It
first?
doesn't matter. Just like do it. Oh my god!
Oh my god! No, you guys probably can't see this from my elbow.
Oh,
Do you think you can zoom in?
I probably can.
But yeah.
We'll get a picture after. Ow!
Let me see.
That's unpleasant.
You got wax.
Oh, it's
Okay.
super smooth.
You ready?
No.
Set.
Oh. I told you they're slippery. Oh, that just hurt.
Sorry, my hands.
Oh my god.
My hands are sweaty.
Ow! No. Wait. Okay, just do it. Oh god, it hurts so much right now. Just rip. smooth? Does it look good?
It looks like you need quite a bit more in the frontal area.
Yeah, it hangs out up here.
It did.
Oh, I can grab
further
one.
back. You've lost a few on here too.
I'll make that for you.
Thank you, baby. The Black Widow.
I feel like I'm attached to this now.
Is this part of you?
Well, it was. Now it's part of the wax. I think if the wax was a bit warmer, maybe. I don't. I'm not an expert. I don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe we
Ever.
just have too big of nostrils for.
Yeah, so this is
Let's
what
go
my
again.
nostril looks like on the inside. So, yeah. What are we going to do with the rest of this?
I don't know. It wasn't too bad, I guess.
I'm not going to do it again. I don't care. Like, do people look up people's noses? Do you look at some dude and you're like, he's got hairy nostrils and that makes him a serial killer?
I don't know. There are some very, very hairy people out there.
Yeah. It's really hard.
Like me.
Yeah.
I'm very hairy.
Alright, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Try the nose wax kit. Like it's a good bonding experience.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're more in love now than when we started.
Yeah.
Like a little while ago. And if there's anything else you want to see us wax, sure, put it in the comments. We'll wax something.
We'll wax something.
We'll wax something. We'll wax a cat.
No, we will not wax a cat.
Well, a cat's self-waxing. So yeah,
Apparently.
don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Lights, Camera, Nothing.
They look like mushrooms from here.
Focus. Focus.